Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make jagaimo no miso cheese yaki. It's potatoes grilled with miso glaze and some cheese. Such a simple dish, but the outcome is incredibly delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I do a menu with this jagaimo no miso cheese yaki, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Potatoes, 2 to 4 depending on the size. Some green onion, 1 or 2. Shredded mozzarella, as much as you like. For the miso glaze, 2 teaspoons each of sake and sugar, 3 tablespoons each of mirin and miso paste, any miso you have. As always, all the cutting first, so green onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut them into half, put them together. Cut them into half, put them together. This is just to save your time. And let's make thin slices. Let's put it in a small bowl and set aside. And potatoes, just peel the skin. If you see any eyes like this, remove it using the heel of the knife. And let's just cut them into chunks. About this size. And let's put them in Ziploc container. I'm going to microwave it. To prevent it from drying out, let's add a little bit of water, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Put the lid on. You don't need to seal it tight. You just put it on and microwave it until it's nice and soft. I did 5 minutes at 600 watts. Let's flip them over to bring the ones at the bottom to the top so that they cook evenly. Put the lid back on and let's do it one more time. I did another 5 minutes and it looks like all the potato is well cooked. The toothpick can easily go through. So the potato is done. Let's make the miso glaze. All the ingredients for the miso glaze into the small frying pan. Sugar, sake, mirin, and miso. Turn the heat on and cook it down to caramel-like texture as you constantly mix it. It's very easy to burn. The heat is medium. I'm cooking it for 5 minutes or so, and it was very loose at the beginning, but now it's nice and thick, and you can draw a line. So the miso glaze is ready. Let's put the potato in this ovenware. And the miso glaze. Sprinkle green onion you sliced earlier. And shredded mozzarella. Okay, it's time to grill them. Grilled for 15 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius, and jagaimo no miso cheese yaki is ready to go. Time for the tasting. It's smelling so good. いただきます。The miso glaze tastes absolutely amazing. And both cheese and miso are fermented foods, so they go really well together. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Jagaimo no miso cheese yaki is the side, so it goes here. And it's a bit heavy with potato and cheese, so let's go light on the main. How about pork and lettuce rolls? Anything you like for the other dishes, but I would go for plain rice here, onion miso soup here, and some sort of pickles for the other side. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.